In this automated process, wraparound labels are applied to trays of Vietnamese faux rolls made at scale as they move along the conveyor line. The system ensures efficient, high-volume branding, crucial for large-scale food production. The filling placement stage aligns fresh ingredients onto the rice sheets. Automated arms ensure precise, consistent placement as the conveyor moves. This efficiency is key to making pho rolls at scale. At the quality lab, the batter's viscosity is tested for a smooth roll.
Starting the timer now.
It's coating nicely, within range. This ensures every faux roll has a perfect texture. Inside the steam tunnel, rice batter is transformed into thin, translucent sheets. The conveyor belt moves continuously, carrying the sheets forward as they cook. This efficient process enables large-scale production of pho rolls. Inside the mixing kettle, a paddle mixer combines cooked protein and fresh vegetables. The paddles rotate continuously, ensuring to producing high-quality scale in large quantities. At the automated dosing station, calibrated nozzles dispense equal portions of filling onto the wrappers, ensuring consistency at scale. This precision is key to efficient, high-volume production of Vietnamese pho rolls. The filling placement stage aligns fresh ingredients onto the rice sheets. Automated arms ensure precise, consistent placement as the conveyor moves. This efficiency is key to making pho rolls at scale. In this automated process, wraparound labels are applied to trays of Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale as they move along the conveyor line. The system ensures efficient, high-volume branding, crucial for large-scale food production. At the coding station, an inkjet printer finalizes traceability by printing date and batch codes onto each package of Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. At the optical scanning checkpoint, the barcode verification system ensures scanning accuracy. The laser scanner reads the barcode on the Vietnamese pho rolls packaging in real time. In the secondary packaging zone, the case-forming machine prepares cartons for the factory's pho rolls. Flat cartons are folded and taped into sturdy shipping packaging for large-scale distribution.
To secure the pallets for transport, a final layer of stretch wrap is applied. The machine rotates the load while the film carriage moves up and down, creating a tight seal.
In this food factory, Vietnamese pho rolls are packed at scale. The cartons move through a tape sealing machine. Here, the machine applies tape to secure the shipments. This ensures safe delivery. Here, a robotic palletizer stacks cartons of pho rolls layer by layer, showcasing efficient, large-scale food production. This automation's consistent quality and speed in packaging Vietnamese pho rolls for global distribution.
To secure the pallets for transport, a final layer of stretch wrap is applied. The machine rotates the load while the film carriage moves up and down, creating a tight seal.
In the cold storage facility, pallets of fresh Vietnamese pho rolls are transferred for preservation. The forklift moves the pallet toward the rack. This process is key to maintain mass production. The sanitation cycle restarts the production line for Vietnamese pho rolls. Foam from overhead nozzles cleans the conveyors thoroughly. After rinsing, the belts are ready for the next batch.
In our pho roll production, this panel ensures the filling stays at 4 degrees Celsius. The digital display shows real-time readings, keeping our process safe and efficient. This maintains food safety at scale.
In the production office, staff log batch numbers to ensure full traceability for Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale.
Logging batch VPR 10001.
This strengthens product safety and quality control.
Maintaining hygiene standards is crucial in the filling preparation area.
Rinse all tanks thoroughly.
Workers use high-pressure water to clean the mixing tanks.
Yes, ensuring no residue remains.
We're starting the audit for the pho roll raw materials, verifying the rice paper and protein sources against the specs. This certificate confirms the herbs and vegetables are compliant, all clear for production.
First, we check the pressure gauge. It's holding steady at 60 psi, optimal for steam sterilization. Next, the steam valves. We adjust to maintain hygiene.
Maintaining hygiene standards is crucial in the filling preparation area.
Rinse all tanks thoroughly.
Workers use high-pressure water to clean the mixing tanks.
Yes, ensuring no residue remains.
Inside the food factory, air quality is paramount for making Vietnamese pho rolls. Real-time monitoring ensures filters are active and air remains pristine. This vigilance protects the product, upholding quality at scale.
We're verifying allergen controls for our pho roll production. This documentation confirms all tests are negative, safe for our consumers at any scale. It's all clear. We're verifying allergen controls for our pho roll production. This documentation confirms all tests are negative, safe for our consumers at any scale. It's all clear.
In the food factory, sustainability starts with waste segregation. Organic scraps from pho rolls production are separated for disposal. This process reduces environmental impact and supports efficient operations. Here, the factory recycles water from making pho rolls. Used water flows into these filtration tanks. It passes through sand and carbon filters. Clean water is then reused in the factory. The dashboard shows real-time energy use, helping us optimize production. See this spike? We adjust the line to cut waste. The system confirms a 12% efficiency gain.
This roller alignment is off. It could snag the dough sheets. Grabbing the wrench to tighten this guide. There, that's secure. Now it's ready for production. This prevents any jams.
Let's review the daily figures for our pho rolls. We hit 52,000 units, beating our target by 4%. Efficiency is up and defects are low at 0.88%. Excellent work by the team. Microbiological testing ensures food safety inside the food factory. In the lab, Petri dishes incubate pathogens. This rigorous process guarantees safe, large-scale production. In this controlled storage chamber, we monitor the shelf life of Vietnamese pho rolls. Time-labeled samples track stability over days. By day 14, subtle changes reveal the product's true shelf life. In this controlled storage chamber, we monitor the shelf life of Vietnamese pho rolls. Time-labeled samples track stability over days. By day 14, subtle changes reveal the product's true shelf life. Seal integrity testing confirms packaging strength inside the food factory. Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. A pressure device applies force to the sealed trays, ensuring they remain intact during transport. This guarantees quality at scale.
Final inspection, checking alignment and appearance. Rolls are uniform, moving to the next tray. All clear, this batch passes. First, verifying the nutrition panel against the standards. Calories, fat, sodium, all within limits. Cross-referencing with the compliance binder now, product is compliant.
Final pallet inspection. Checking stability for shipment. Wrap is tight, no shifting. Cleared for dispatch.
Refrigerated truck loading begins distribution in inside the food factory, Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale.
Cold chain verification confirms storage standards in inside the food factory, Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. This warehouse monitoring system ensures pho roll ingredients stay between 2 and 4 degrees Celsius. Refrigerated truck loading begins distribution in inside the food factory, Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale.
Reviewing the pho roll shipment details now. All quantities and logistics match. Approving. Authorization complete. The shipment is cleared.
The truck departure marks the distribution phase of Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. This refrigerated truck is now leaving the facility, ready for delivery, ensuring freshness from factory to consumer.
Alignment on the top layer looks good. Now for the balance. Applying pressure to test stability. No shifts detected. Pallet is stable. Ready for dispatch.
Initiating scan for Vietnamese pho rolls. Scan complete. Temperature history confirmed within range. Cold chain compliance verified.
Inside the food factory, a random sampling audit strengthens quality control. Opening the carton for verification. The pho rolls are consistent and fresh.
Inside the food factory, a random sampling audit strengthens quality control.
Opening the carton for verification. The pho rolls are consistent and fresh.
This is our seal strength re-verification test. Applying pressure to check for leaks. The seal holds firm, ensuring packaging integrity. This batch passes. At the end of the production line, a calibration test card passes through the metal detector. The green light confirms detection, validating the system for food safety.
The microbial analysis confirms no pathogens. Counts are well within limits. All clear. Approving the batch now. Starting the final review for the pho rolls production. All items verified. Submitting the completed checklist. Documentation is now finalized.
In the production IT station, the batch coding system secures traceability records, initiating backup for the Vietnamese pho rolls records. This ensures every batch is tracked for quality and safety. Backup complete. Records secured. After a full shift making pho rolls, the sanitation team begins the final sweep. High-pressure water blasts away residue from the conveyors. Every inch is scrubbed clean, preparing for the next production run.
Initiating daily shutdown protocol for the pho roll conveyor system. All systems are now offline. Cycle complete.
The conveyor for the pho rolls line is due for service in 30 days. I'll schedule the sheeter and wrapper maintenance for next month. This update ensures our production stays efficient.
Starting reconciliation for pho roll ingredients. Rice paper wrappers, quantity verified. Ground pork, quantity matches. Reconciliation complete. Okay, let's rotate these pho roll pallets. Check the dates.
Right. This batch is from May 20th. Move it forward.
Good. Let's update the labels to maintain the file flow. All set. This ensures freshness.
Finalizing the export clearance for the Vietnamese pho rolls shipment. Document signed. Shipment is now cleared for dispatch.
Cargo is loaded and secured, confirming shipment of Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. Straps tight, load stable, shipping stage complete. Seal check complete, door secure. Checking the truck settings now. Temperature stable at -18. All clear.
Let's review our facility-wide operations for Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale. Daily output is up to 15,000 rolls, with defect rate down to 0.8. Efficiency is at 92, and labor costs show strong scalability.
Let's verify PPE compliance on the pho roll line. All set here, officer.
Good. Hairnets, masks, gloves, essential for hygiene. Keep the workflow steady and safe.
Will do. We do.
Final quality check complete. Vietnamese pho rolls made at scale batch is fully certified. Approving for distribution now. All parameters are in spec, ready to ship.
And so, the cycle completes. Fresh pho rolls leave the factory, ready for the world.